Hey guys, it's me, Millie here, and today I am playing Minecraft. But that's the wrong one. That's the right one. Wait, I'm playing Bedwars. Okay. Oh my god. I'm pink. Oh my god, that's so fun. What the heck happened to them?
Okay, hold on. Where's the Brienne at? She's probably doing some really dirty place. Let's be honest.
Look, Maisie, Anna. Wait a minute.
Okay, the classic excuse, guys. The classic excuse.
Okay, I'm back. Something just happened with the TV.
What peeps, welcome to the stream. That's right, the stream is very sad. Oh, is it just climb the roof steps on this profile? Have you got heels on?
Okay, I died. Let's go on. What I really want to do is build battle. That was just to start off. I'm actually going to build battle, okay, guys. I just starting off with a little game, and I knew that I would die. Oh my god. Look how big my mouse is this time. Right, you can use the plot. Okay. A little big ball. Cheese. 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 Yes. Wait, is that test or tease? Maisie? Is the thing test or tease? Really? I'm just gonna go with a test. No, it's a test. I really want. I know this won't look like a test on it, but it definitely.
Actually playing Happy Families all together for once, which is she's so adorable. Like how Mason came out of nowhere. Oh, these guys are over on the bus. Oh no. That's
Mine won't even look like a test, Emma, because it's probably not a test.
What's up, guys? It's here, and welcome back to a new video where today, as you can probably tell from the title, we're going to be records. Now on my phone, I've downloaded the Guinness World Records.
I'm pressing so hard.
Kindle app, as you can see. Oh, no, that's just a picture of me looking really nice on the sleeve. No, that's all, but can't believe that's on the screen. I'm just kidding, but here you go. I've got the Guinness World Record Gamers Edition, and I've also got Minecraft loaded up, as you can see here. We're just on vanilla, 1.13, no cheating involved. I'm going to attempt for the Minecraft record from this book. Now, funny thing, one of the record holders in this book is actually CPK. As you can see here, here's Callum. Put a screenshot on the screen now. As you can see, there's Callum. And we're going to be attempting on the Callum record today. So we're going to start with the Callum one, and there's also this video here which teaches you what exactly you have to do, what castle you have to build. So I'm probably going to take a few attempts at this. I don't think I'm going to be able to get anywhere close the first time, but let's give it a go. Now you can get every block you need in your inventory at the start, and you can use any colour banners, obviously. There we go. Lime green. And I'm actually going to build the castle and not time this up quickly, just to see what I have to build. Can I do this in 4 minutes and 20 seconds? How? This seems like it's going to be pretty tricky. I don't think I'm going to get close. So this is the castle you have to build. It looks really simple, but when you're actually building it, like digging out the moat and placing the blocks, I think it's going to be quite tricky. But we're going to give it a go anyway. I'm going to get the timer up on my phone. Is it weird that I'm kind of nervous about this? I don't know. We're going to build it over here. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, I'm missing blocks like crazy. Alright, it's going to be 4 high, so I'm just going to spam these blocks in. Oh my gosh. Don't mess up. Right, I'm not sure. Done. Alright, we've got to do that. Spam in this time. Right, so. Bam! 3 minutes 42. Boom! We beat it. Sorry, Callum. Oh dear. Okay, so I think that is complete. Let me just compare it to my other one. It looks pretty accurate, so yeah, not bad, not bad. Now, I'm not sure if other people did it on console or I can do it on PC. I'm pretty sure on console it takes a long time, so I'm not sure about that. So I may not have beaten it, I may be wrong, it may be the console. But it didn't say anything about console or whatever. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see what other records we can find to attempt. Okay, it does say for console and PC players, so I think we're okay. Okay, so the next challenge I'm going to attempt is the fastest time to saddle and stable 10 horses in Minecraft Survival mode. Survival. So I can do a little bit of setup for this one. I'll go over here. Oh, there's a lot of setup in this one. I've got to place all these weird fence gates and stuff like this. So the basic aim of this is I've got to get 10 horses in each of these pens in survival mode, and each of the horses has to leap over. Alright, there we go, we've done it. In there. Nice. Okay, we're out. Through the fences again. Closing them, please. 5. This is for the world record, Joel, although not really, because it's not official or anything. We're out, okay. Here's it. 2 to do. Alright, we're back in survival. Beat the time on the website. Bad. And then we gotta hit the pause menu. Done. 4 minutes, 10 seconds. Not bad. Not bad. We beat what it says on the website. So it doesn't actually say a count effect for that one, but I beat the time on the website, which is 4 minutes 30. So I'm quite happy with that. Not bad, not bad. One of the records here is most wins of Minecraft survival games. Not going to attempt that one, as it's 2,534. A lot of these records are console only, which kind of sucks, because I'm on PC and I don't have Minecraft on console. So those are the 2 records listed on the website, so the only ones I can really complete. But that's my own. Nothing official record, but you guys
Alright, so this one won, honestly, because it looks so like a test.
I'm going to set
And I get to think of that. Stupid. Oh, I'm stupid.
So 1 minute and 40
Wait, what's the thing?
is your time
I'm
to
gonna
beat.
think be.
Can you beat that? That's the thing.
I'm gonna make it be so.
To let me know if you beat it, even if it's just a tweet saying, "Hey Joel, I beat it," and I'll be like, "Okay, fair enough." So I'm gonna give people a. Lizzie behind you. Lizzie behind you.
Build ourselves a base in a very secret place that nobody will find. So let's teleport out to the wilderness. Okay, so we've been teleported out into the wilderness.
There's like a mushroom. And look at these size of these trees. They're so fat.
Make a video, okay? Turn the volume up. She's too loud. That's why. Right, this is the end of the video right now. Bye, guys.